Welcome to this tutorial on how to bridge on Metamask Mobile. Bridging allows you to transfer assets between different blockchain networks, expanding your access to various decentralized applications and services. To begin, ensure you have the latest version of Metamask Mobile installed on your device. First, open the Metamask Mobile app and navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see a list of your available assets and their respective balances. Tap on the asset you wish to bridge, and then select the three-dot menu next to it. From the drop-down menu, choose the bridge option. Next, you will be prompted to select the source and destination networks for the bridge. Choose the network you want to bridge from and the network you want to bridge to. For example, if you want to bridge Ethereum from the Ethereum mainnet to the Polygon network, select Ethereum as the source and Polygon as the destination. After selecting the networks, you will need to specify the amount of assets you want to bridge. Enter the amount and review the estimated gas fees and bridging time. Gas fees are the costs associated with processing transactions on the blockchain, and bridging time refers to how long it takes for the assets to be transferred between networks. Once you have confirmed the details, tap on the Bridge button to initiate the process. You will then be asked to confirm the transaction on the source network. This step is crucial as it finalizes the transfer of assets from the source network. After confirming the transaction, wait for the bridging process to complete. This may take several minutes, depending on the network congestion and the bridging time estimated earlier. Once the bridging is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification, and the bridged assets will be reflected in your Metamask mobile wallet. It is essential to note that bridging assets between networks may involve risks, such as price volatility and smart contract vulnerabilities. Always research and understand the risks involved before bridging assets. Additionally, ensure you have a sufficient balance of the native cryptocurrency on the destination network to cover any potential gas fees. In conclusion, bridging on Metamask Mobile is a straightforward process that allows you to transfer assets between different blockchain networks. By following these steps and being aware of the potential risks, you can seamlessly expand your access to decentralized applications and services. Remember to always prioritize security and only bridge assets when necessary.